tail together.
Motherfucker!
You all right?
You're gonna be cleaning up those streets before you know it.
And then I'm gonna be reading about you.
I don't know about
Boyd!
that.
Boyd! Boyd, hey! Tell them I'm your partner! They won't let me through!
Yeah, let him in.
Hey! Jesus, man, what happened here? After all we've been through, we're partners, we're risking our lives together, and I gotta hear about this on a stripper scanner.
Oh, shit! Smack my mama on the ass! That's Henry Wade! Henry, hey, man, can you do a story on me? I was just doing that, the cops just shot me up and shit. I got shot 16 times right here.
That hurt?
Ow! Yeah, that hurt! I ain't faking this shit!
Listen, could we film your surgery for the show?
Hell yeah, you can film my stuff! I'm gonna be on TV! Can my mama come down to the studio?
You know it!
Oh, shit, okay, cool! All right, when you wanna do it? We're gonna go to the hospital right now!
I'm gonna meet you there!
Okay, just come on!
Mr. Boyd, that's some good work in there.
Thank you.
Faster to get rid of those dirty cops, the better it's for all of us.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for making a difference. You want your old job back at 2-1, it's all yours.
No, if it's all the same, I think I'll stay here, right, pard?
Yeah. Well, you know where to reach me.
Yes, sir.
By the way, Mr. Boyd, I fought in Vietnam.
Well, that don't surprise me.
A couple of your buddies are on there.
I heard about your brother Sean.
Hopefully that'll get them out.
Think this tape's gonna make a difference? Courts don't give a shit about this. So I had your brother pulled around an hour ago from county, just in case.
Thank you.
See you around, partner.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
It's been 30 days since I've been pinched, punched, scratched, scalded, or stabbed.
Something.
Yeah. I'm not gonna pay those strippers to beat me up anymore, and to make sure they can't find me, I'm living in a safe house down at Southgate if anyone wants to reach me. And Linda, I'm a changed man now with a lot of problems, so we're gonna be seeing a lot of each other. I've already signed up for your shame and impotence class. And these are for you.
Thank you. Super, Henry. So, I'd like to proudly acknowledge our very own hero, Oren Boyd.
You need some love. Come on, come on. Guys, come on, group hug, fellas. Come on, get in here. Come on, everybody. We're proud of this man. Come on, let him feel it. Feels good, don't it? All right. Where are we going? You guys gotta stay here.